Positive friction is what we call for moments of unpredictable interaction and collaboration with colleagues. For example, number one, in town hall meetings or in sessions like this, choose a different seat. When I have an opportunity to sit beside someone I don't know, I will choose that seat because that person can lead me to another story, to another contact, to another project, to another client that I would have never met in my life if I chose to be seated with someone that I already know. The same thing also happens for us. Simple things such as, because I sat down today in a different seat, I found out about this amazing Netflix TV series, which you did not know because I can naka-K-drama. Yung pala, you can also watch documentaries. And when you found out about that documentary, it alters your life. It changes your perspective. And now you feel so inspired that you can do better in your life.